Hey everybody, and welcome back to another lecture with Coding with Roby. And in this lecture, we will be going over the Books 2 project. What will we be creating in Books 2? Well, we will be creating a real Python object that handles all components of a book. This includes an ID of type UUID, a title of type string, an author of type string, a description of type string, and a rating of type integer. Now, one thing you may notice is that the title, author, description, and rating is all equal to field. Field comes from Pydantics that allows our APIs to do data validation automatically on the data coming in from the client. And of course, we will be making Books 2 work with all the CRUD operations, get, post, put, and delete. And in this section, we'll be diving even deeper into the technology and theory of FastAPI. We'll be learning about exception handlers, custom exception handlers, schema configs, headers, and more. Now in the Books 2 project, we will see how different APIs are when dealing with Python objects from dictionaries. We will be using request bodies to send data during post and put request methods, do data validation, and raise appropriate HTTP exceptions based on the request and the response needed. Our APIs will look very familiar from the URL perspective compared to Books 1. However, the big difference between the code is drastic when comparing the two applications. We will be using get with an empty URL to get all the books, get with a UUID as a path parameter to get a specific book, put with a UUID path parameter and a request body of a JSON book to update a specific book, post with a JSON request body to add a book, and delete with a path parameter of a UUID to delete a book. So once again, we will be covering all CRUD operations. This wraps up the lecture on Books 2 project overview, and I will see you in the next video.